Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.3 question number 1. Draw any line segment PQ. Without measuring PQ, construct a copy of PQ. Okay. First of all, let us take a line. Here we are taking a line. Here we have taken a line and we change the color of the line, that is it is yellow, and we name the line, that is suppose line segment of this is a PQ, right? This is suppose this is PQ, this is P and this is Q. We don't the measurement of this line, right? Let us take another line. Let us take another line. Suppose the line is, this is the line. We change the color of the line. If we change the color of the line as yellow, right? And the name of the line may be L. The name of the line is L. Here you see, we've taken it as L. Now we have to, without measuring PQ, we have to construct a copy of PQ, right? That means again we will take the compass. We are taking the compass here, right? Now with this compass we will measure the distance. Here it is, we point with the pointer at point P. I place the pointer at point P and I will move the pencil up to Q. Right. This is Q. This distance is fixed, right? Now we take this compass here and pointer at this point, end point here. Right? And cut the arc. Right? Now we name it again. The name of this side is, without measuring PQ, construct a copy of PQ. If I write the name here, P dash Q dash, P dash Q dash, then we can say that PQ line segment is equal to P dash Q dash line segment, right? In this way you can construct a copy of PQ without measuring PQ, right? With the help of the compass we have shown, first we draw a line, right? PQ. After that we take a line, that is the name of the line is L, and with the help of compass the pointer will be at P and this pencil will be at Q. This is the fixed distance. Without disturbing this, we fix the pointer at P dash and cut an arc with the pencil, that we get P dash Q dash. That means this distance and this distance is fixed. Therefore, you can say the length of line segment PQ is equal to length of line segment P dash Q dash. In this way, you can solve the problem. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.